Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am creating this fun and colorful makeup look using the new Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But before I apply any eyeshadow, I am gonna apply the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer as a base. Now the first eyeshadow we're gonna pick up is this bright purple color called Can from the Riviera palette. I'm gonna apply this shade with a very small blending brush into my crease and the inner and outer corners of my eyes to create a halo effect. Right now, I am not too worried about the blending, I just want to get the shadow nice and pigmented on the lid. Then once I have the shadow placed on the lid, I'm gonna wipe the brush off on a paper towel, and then I'm gonna start blending out the shadow to get a soft and blended look. Now I'm also going to bring the shadow down onto my lower lash line, and I'm applying quite a lot because I want this look to be very bold and dramatic. Next I'm going to take the shade Monte Carlo and use that as my transition shade to blend out the purple even more and add some dimension to the lid. I'm applying this both on my lid and on my lower lash line. Since we're applying this pink shadow on top of the purple, you might have to go back with the purple shadow and add some more. Now to create the halo effect, I am first going to apply the Inglot Gel Liner in the shade 94 to carve out the center of my crease and apply on the center of the lid as well. If you want to, you can use a blue base for this, but this was the only shade that I had, so it will have to do. Then once I have the liner on my lid, I'm gonna press on the eyeshadow called Seychells on top of it for a nice pop of blue on the lid. Here I'm just adding a little bit of the purple eyeshadow again to blend out the edge between the purple and the blue shade. For my waterline, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Grape, which is a beautiful purple shade. Now I'm going to shade just a little bit because I'm going to use the Orion highlighter from the ABH Aurora palette to highlight my inner corners. But if you want to stick to the Riviera palette, I would use the white shadow to highlight. Next I'm just going to do a thin liner using the Fenty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. To finish off this eye look, I'm just going to apply some mascara and the Russian Blue lashes from Feline Lashes. Now moving on to the face, I'm first going to apply the Anastasia Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love, and then I'm going to go in and highlight with the new loose highlighter in the shade So Hollywood. Since the eyes are very bright and vibrant, I decided to go with a matte nude lip. So here I'm just applying the Attractive Lip Kit from Nabla Cosmetics, and that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!